In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Woocommerce Product Addons plugin to add custom product fields on your WordPress site. This can be incredibly useful if you're looking to enhance your online store by offering personalized options to your customers. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to wordpress.com. This is where you have all the tools you need to build and manage your website. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. You'll find the login option at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials, and you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Now, once you're in your dashboard, it's time to focus on the plugins, which are crucial for adding functionalities to your site. Look for the Plugins tab in your dashboard menu and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can manage your installed plugins. If you're familiar with WordPress, you'll know that plugins are like the special tools in your toolbox, each serving its unique purpose. Next, you'll need to add a new plugin, so find the Add Plugin button and click it. This will take you to WordPress's extensive library of plugins. In the search bar, type Woocommerce Product Addons. You'll see a list of related plugins appear. These results are pulled directly from WordPress's repository where developers make their tools available to enhance WordPress sites. Here, you'll want to spot the Advanced Product Fields, Product Addons, for Woocommerce. This specific plugin is designed to let you add extra fields to your product pages, allowing for custom options and selections for your customers. It's a fantastic way to offer personalization and improve the shopping experience for your customers. Once you've found the plugin, the next steps are straightforward. You'll see an Install Now button next to the plugin description. Click on that, and WordPress will handle downloading and installing the plugin to your site. It typically only takes a few moments to complete, depending on your internet speed and the size of the plugin. After installation, you're not quite done. You'll also need to activate the plugin to start using it. You can do this by clicking the Activate button that appears after installation is complete. Activating the plugin is like switching it on, allowing it to function within your WordPress environment. And there you have it. Within just a few minutes, you've successfully installed and activated the Woocommerce Product Addons plugin. Now, you can begin adding customized fields to your products, making your online store more dynamic and personalized for your customers. Thank you for joining me in this step-by-step guide. See you next time.